Setting goals for English improvement, your roadmap to success. Hello, learners. Today, we are diving into a critical part of improving your English language skills, specifically focusing on the improvement strategies section. We will be discussing goal setting, a powerful tool that can guide your learning journey and bring about tangible results. So, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, this video will help you set clear and achievable goals for your English reading and writing skills. Setting goals is more than just wishing to become better. It's about creating a clear and structured path towards improvement. Here's why goal setting is vital. Motivation. Goals give you a sense of direction and purpose. Focus. They help you concentrate on what needs to be done. Measurement. Goals allow you to track your progress and see how far you've come. When setting goals, it's essential to know what kind of goals you're aiming for. Here are the main types. Long-term goals. These are your big dreams, like becoming fluent in English. Short-term goals. These are smaller steps that lead to your long-term goals, such as mastering a particular grammar concept. A proven method for setting effective goals is to make them SMART. Specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable. Make sure you can track your progress. Achievable. Set goals that are within your reach. Relevant. Ensure your goals align with your overall objectives. Timely. Set a deadline to keep yourself accountable. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your goal-setting plan. 1. Identify your needs. Where do you need to improve? 2. Choose long-term and short-term goals. Break down your journey into manageable pieces. 3. Use the SMART framework. Apply the principles to each goal. 4. Review and adjust. Regularly check your progress and modify if needed. While setting goals, beware of these pitfalls. Being vague. Always be specific. Setting unrealistic goals. Make sure your goals are attainable. Ignoring progress. Celebrate small achievements. They keep you motivated. And that's a wrap on goal setting for English language learning. By understanding the importance of goal setting, knowing the types of goals, and applying the SMART framework, you'll be well on your way to success. Remember to keep track of your progress, make necessary adjustments, and, most importantly, believe in yourself. I hope this video has been helpful, and I wish you all the best in your English learning journey. Happy studying!